it can reach, the burning point is 190.
Yeah.
So as long as I wouldn't reach 190, I can reuse it over and over.
Reuse it. I do 60, 70 kilos in the same oil.
With the same oil every day. It wouldn't taste, it wouldn't, because if you use it again and again, there is the certain taste.
Not when you don't burn it. The problem what I see in Asia is that people use woks, and in a wok you cannot control your temperature.
Okay.
Then they go over the temperature. Turns black.
You burn the oil.
Turns black. I always use my oil today. Every in the morning, just put my oil off. What is down under? I take it away. When I put it back, I filter it that all the small particles are away. And I use it again. It's no problem. And the chef understands it. He said, okay, new oil, okay, it will not be as good as what it's supposed to be. It's only after 4 or 5 times frying that your oil should be used to be good. Same as in a car. But it's, in cars, it's all these kind of oil producing, they push you to change. It is also, it's like everywhere. This oil producing company, oh, you have to change your oil every 9-10 times. Forget it. Forget it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Madam, crispy fried.
Ready?
We are ready with it.
Okay.
With the crunchies, I will get
Yes.
just a fraction longer.
This is lovely.
Wedges cut in 8, skin off. It's Monaco time. Look at this, our crunchies. Golden crunchies.
Yes.
Belgian product.
Let's put some salt. Ready? Try niyo po, sir. Try. Thank you.